One of the reason I have this one also because I don't know why it stops recording. Is it the memory card? This is better than my phone. I'm so excited. I'm so happy with this one. Oh, I love this camera. It looks so pretty here. Let's test this camera. So I am now using the Canon V10. Good morning. So I'm so excited to show you. I have a new camera. This is a Christmas gift. Thank you so much. This is the camera that I choose. I hope we can make a lot of videos in this camera. And yay! Dun, 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 la, 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 la. Ta-da! This one, I think you guys are already familiar with this. I mean, you've seen this online. I got this last night. I'm so happy. I'm so happy with this. I like this camera. I've been watching the reviews about this camera and we are going to do unboxing right now. We opened this one, of course, yesterday because we have to test it. Before we open this, I'm going to show you the other. So this is for the wrist. This one. This is not a combo, by the way. I've seen online that they have like a combo, and this one is only have like a charger and then the item itself. I'm not sure if the price for this one item and the price for the combo is similar, or probably online more is the combo and then this one. This is, I paid this one. I have a discount for, I guess, 1,500 because I paid it straight. You can do also installment. This one. One of the reason I have this one also because the GoPro is not that great. And so the GoPro is not that good in color. And also, I don't know why this GoPro suddenly just shut down and stopped recording. I am not sure why is it GoPro stopped recording. Is it okay? So I switched to my phone because I don't know why it stops recording. Is it the memory card? So my GoPro got broken few months ago and then I didn't use it for like a year, I guess, because I thought it's broken but just the battery. So I bought a new battery and then it's working well. And right now I am not sure what's the problem with this because I've been talking to the camera like this and then suddenly it stops recording and I didn't realize it stops recording. So I lost a lot of footage and a lot of talking in my previous vlogs. Yeah, it's so weird. Why is it like this? I'll try to buy a new memory card later. Maybe it's just the memory card. We don't know. So I decided to have this one since I have the action camera. This is better than my phone. Before, I don't have this because it got broken. I use my cell phone for vlogging, which is not so wide. Like for example, this one. I don't have much wide angle in this cell phone because I like to vlog with selfie. Like selfie. I'm so excited. And this one has 10 like these. Ta-da! Yeah. So it's pretty easy. Like for example, I'm going to do vlog like this. Okay, let's turn it on. And then take a moment to connect with your smartphone. Look. Okay, so that's me. It's very good in lighting compared to my phone and compared to my GoPro. Look at that. This is a built-in battery, guys. And they have here HDMI and they have this microphone and they have this charger and they have this two microphone right here, which is this one doesn't have. Sometimes if you notice in my previous videos that I am struggling with the mic for this GoPro, I think you will see in my previous video that suddenly the GoPro sound just lower, and I think it's because I cover this. I am not sure. This doesn't have external mic. That's the problem with this GoPro. But I like it because there's two camera. I love this one. Even if I buy another camera, I still love you, okay? I'm loyal to you. But I'm also gonna be loyal to you. Just kidding. This is a weird unboxing. Okay, so this one, it's very small, guys. This is the size of a credit card, they said. And I think it is a size of credit card. Not like size of, it's thick, you know. It's just the height. Yeah, I just like it. Look, even if I just do like this, I have a wide angle. I have a wide camera. See? Oh, I'm so in love with this camera. It's different from like Sony compact, Canon compact, because this one you have a wide lens. I just love this, and let's test it. I'm going to check out and going to move to Makati today. Hi camera, how are you? And also I look pretty here. When you want to record, just press this one, which is very handy. Oh, this is a picture. And also it's a touch screen. And it has good autofocus also, guys. I want to change it to my gulay. I have to know how to use it. Okay. So there's like a button right here that you have to press and then just go recording. And this is the recording. Okay, we're recording right now. You'll know you are recording because you know it's red flashing. Anyway, I just love it. Oh, I love this camera. It looks so pretty here. Also here, guys, as you can see, this is the screen. You are going to press this, and then there's the option connect to smartphone, connect to Bluetooth. I think this is for external mic or Bluetooth mic, and then this one is, I guess, upload to image.canon. And this one is a live streaming. So you can use this camera as your webcam. You can use this camera for live streaming, direct live streaming. It's good. It's nice. And then you can adjust the brightness. Okay, so all of these are auto. I think that's fine. Let's just not touch anything in here. I just want to know the stabilization of this camera. I think we have a good stabilization. I'm so happy with this one. Thank you so much. Just makes me happy. Okay, so that's gonna be the end of our unboxing. It's a pretty crazy unboxing and a cute unboxing something. Maybe I'm the one thinking it's cute. Maybe let's connect to smartphone. Add a device to connect. I'll get back to you later. I will do this with my phone because I'm using my phone. Okay, so let's test this camera. So I am now using the Canon V10. I am going to check out now. I'm here in outside of BGC area, which is the cheaper hotel are located. And I am here at Aerobeds. This is my home for 2 days. I just can't walk from here to BGC. I like my stay here. I have my single bed right here. Sorry, it's so messy. I'm going to check out. And I'm going to Makati right now and then vlog the Makati because I am done vlogging here in BGC. Oh, I like this camera. It looks so pretty in here. I am so excited to use you, V10. Why you look so white? Actually, I asked them if I can extend around 1 p.m., which is most of the hotels allows it for free of charge. But this one have 200 peso charge fee, so I just didn't extend, And I'll just go to Makati. Drink a lot of water. When I'm traveling, I always drink a lot of water because it makes me full too. So tips when you are traveling, guys, you have to drink a lot of water because, like for example, if you're on the road and it's so dusty, it gives you like sore throat if you don't drink a lot of water. So I suggest you drink a lot of water, especially if you're from outside and then come back home. Because the dust gives you sore throat. Comment down below if you believe me. Okay? So I think I haven't showed you my bag. So this is my laptop bag, which is also like student bag. Ay, mugulay. Looks like a student bag. And then here, this is my trolley bag. I can hand carry this one, but this one is too heavy as of this moment. And I have this drone bag. That's it. My concern in this camera is the stabilization. You wouldn't notice while recording, but when you edit the videos, the stabilization is not looking good. This is heavy, by the way. Drone is heavy, my gulay. Let's go! I think they have 7 floors because they have 7 floors at the elevator. Thank you so much for the continued support. Bye, everyone.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.